when the military of the Netherlands made the shocking move to completely reject the legendary American UH-60M Black Hawk, defense experts were left stunned. In the high-stakes environment of modern special operations, a single miscalculation renders elite commando teams entirely exposed and defenseless behind enemy lines. Why would a core NATO ally turn its back on the most famous combat helicopter in global history to crown a European giant instead? The answer lies in a high-stakes procurement choice that officially culminated on November 5, 2024, at the Euronaval exhibition in Paris. On that date, the Netherlands Command Material and IT formally signed the contract with Airbus Helicopters to procure 12 H225M Caracal helicopters. These advanced aircraft will replace the aging fleet of 12 as 532 U-2 Cougar helicopters, operating within the elite 300 Special Operations Squadron at Gilles-Rijen Air Base. On paper, leading global defense analysts argue that the tactical salvation for Dutch commandos required uncompromising spatial dominance. The UH-60M Black Hawk offers a cabin volume of just 11.6 cubic meters, constraining its capacity to roughly 11 fully equipped troops. In stark contrast, the H225M Caracal boasts a massive 15 cubic meters of cabin space, representing a 29.3% increase over the American platform. This immense physical advantage allows a single Caracal to insert up to 28 troops or carry an entire 14-man Special Forces team alongside heavy combat gear, inflatables, and tactical vehicles in a single sortie. Splitting insertion forces across multiple aircraft leaves operators dangerously vulnerable and compromises operational surprise. Furthermore, with an unrefueled combat range of 857 kilometers compared to 590 kilometers for the Black Hawk, the Caracal delivers unmatched tactical reach. Before we go on, which helicopter would you trust on a covert mission, the Caracal or the Black Hawk? Subscribe to the channel right now and tell me where you are watching from. The true genius of the H225M Caracal lies within its uncompromising architectural philosophy, directly addressing the complex operational demands of the Dutch Korps Commandotroepen and Netherlands Marine Special Operations Forces. For modern elite operators, success or failure hinges on the mathematical reality of cabin volume. While the UH-60M Black Hawk provides space for up to 12 soldiers, a 14-operator Special Forces element does not travel light. They carry heavy body armor, communication systems, inflatable rubber raiding craft, all-terrain vehicles, and reconnaissance drones. Forcing these assets into a Black Hawk renders the squad cramped and tactically constrained, leaving vital equipment behind and operators structurally exposed. On paper, leading global defense analysts argue that the tactical salvation for Dutch military planners came down to the doctrine of the single sortie concept. The H225M Caracal provides a massive 15 cubic meters of internal cabin space. The main cabin stretches 7.87 meters in length and 1.45 meters in height, allowing up to 28 troops in a high-density seating arrangement, or a full 14-man Special Forces team alongside their heavy raiding craft and tactical gear. Executing an insertion in a single wave using one Caracal drastically reduces the noise footprint and minimizes radar exposure. Splitting a team across two Black Hawks doubles the probability of detection by hostile air defense systems, leaving soldiers completely defenseless during the most dangerous phase of the mission. Driven by twin Safran Makila, 2A1 turboshaft engines producing over 2,100 horsepower each, the H225M Caracal maintains exceptional hovering performance at extreme temperatures. It elevates the operational mobility of the Netherlands Armed Forces, delivering an unmatched combination of raw physical volume, heavy payload capacity, and tactical survival. Beyond raw cabin volume, the endurance and maritime capabilities of the H225M Caracal solidify its decisive victory over American alternatives. Operating in the harsh, corrosive salt spray environments of the North Sea requires specialized engineering. Designed for amphibious warfare, the Caracal features advanced anti-corrosion treatments and an automated 5-blade rotor folding system that collapses in under 2 minutes, enabling seamless storage aboard Dutch naval vessels like the Johan de Witt and Rotterdam. The operational reach of the Caracal remains unmatched. The platform boasts a standard unrefueled flight range of 857 kilometers, far exceeding the 590-kilometer limit of the UH60M Black Hawk. Crucially, the H225M includes a fixed-in-flight refueling probe as a core feature. This capability allows the aircraft to receive fuel mid-air from tanker assets like the KC-130J Hercules, extending its practical operational range beyond 1,200 kilometers. On paper, leading global defense analysts argue that achieving comparable long-range refueling in a Black Hawk requires specialized variants like the MH-60M, which involve complex procurement hurdles and inflated costs. The timeline of this acquisition highlights a deliberate strategic pivot. In June 2023, the Netherlands State Secretary for Defense initially announced intent to buy 14 Caracal helicopters. However, by the official contract signing on November 5, 2024 at Euronaval in Paris, the order was adjusted to 12 units. This shift was not due to aircraft deficiencies, but rather a strategic decision to allocate budget toward cutting-edge mission suites. The Dutch Ministry of Defense prioritized advanced electronic warfare systems, secure satellite communications, and electro-optical sensors from suppliers like L3 Harris and Elbit Systems. Scheduled for delivery between 2030 and 2032 to replace the legacy as 532 U2 Cougar, these 12 fully equipped H225M Caracal helicopters ensure the elite 300 Special Operations Squadron remains technologically dominant, fully integrated, and tactically supreme across all NATO combat theaters. The strategic acquisition of the H225M Caracal extends far beyond tactical metrics, marking a profound shift in European defense autonomy. By choosing Airbus over American options, the Netherlands reinforces a broader continental drive to secure sovereign military supply chains. This choice keeps critical maintenance and technological innovation within Europe, shielded from foreign arms transfer restrictions like international traffic and arms regulations. This industrial partnership took a major leap forward in October 2025 during an official royal visit to Airbus helicopters in Toulouse. The Royal Netherlands Aerospace Centre signed a research and technology agreement with Airbus. This alliance integrates Dutch industry directly into long-term sustainment, life cycle optimization, and future upgrades for the Caracal fleet. Furthermore, this procurement enhances operational interoperability across global theaters, including the Indo-Pacific. Key partners such as Singapore, Malaysia, and Indonesia already operate the H225M Caracal. When Dutch naval frigates deploy to multinational exercises in Asian waters, sharing a common heavy transport platform simplifies logistics, joint training, and coalition special forces integration. Ultimately, the Dutch decision offers a vital strategic lesson for modern armed forces. The most famous weapon is not automatically the most effective for every mission profile. While the UH60M Black Hawk remains an exceptional tactical transport for mass infantry, the H225M Caracal delivers a purpose-built airborne command hub tailored for elite special forces operating in unforgiving environments. By prioritizing internal volume, extended range, and European strategic autonomy, the Netherlands has secured a decisive edge for the next 3 decades. As European nations increasingly seek independence in defense procurement, will we see more NATO allies move away from American platforms in favor of European alternatives? Share your thoughts in the comments below.